In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color depending on the date in Excel. This is a straightforward process that adds a visual layer to your data, making it much easier to track deadlines or expiration dates at a glance. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Excel app on your computer. Ensure the document you're working with is open, and you're ready to get started. Have your spreadsheet open? Great! Now, make sure you've selected the document you want to work on. It's essential to have your data all set up because we'll be applying conditional formatting rules that will automatically change the cell's color based on the date. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen and find the Home tab. Once you're there, look at the toolbar for the conditional formatting option. You can't miss it. It's a powerful tool that allows you to apply various rules to change the appearance of your data based on specific conditions. After clicking on Conditional Formatting, you'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Here, choose the option that says Color Scales. This particular feature applies a gradient of colors based on the value in the cell. Excel will essentially evaluate the date values and assign a color based on how you set it up, which can indicate whether the date is upcoming, past due, or anywhere in between. Now, the fun part. You'll decide how to set the conditions for these color changes. Generally, you might want to have recent or upcoming dates be a particular color. Maybe something bright or eye-catching like green. On the other hand, older dates could fade into the background with a softer color, perhaps a dimmer red or gray, indicating they are less of a priority. Let Excel do its magic. With these color scales, you can quickly see a timeline effect where your dates are highlighted according to their urgency or relevance. This not only enhances the usability of your spreadsheet, but also gives anyone viewing your data a quick visual overview of the timeline. Remember, while setting this up, if you ever feel like the colors don't integrate well with your data, it's simple enough to go back and adjust the color scales. Excel's flexibility means you can customize these scales as needed until they fit just right with your existing data structure. With that, you should now have a beautifully color-coded spreadsheet that clearly communicates which dates need attention. This technique is particularly useful in project management, sales tracking, or just about any scenario where keeping an eye on dates is critical. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tip helpful in managing your data more effectively.